So one of the really cool things about SonarQube is that it allows you to create quality profiles. Now, it comes with defaults, but it allows you to create quality profiles that allow you to customize the rules that you're looking at. So let's take a look at some of the benefits of doing this. The built-in quality profiles there's one for each language that SonarQube supports. So there's a C# or there's a Java, there's a PHP, and that gives you sort of out-of-the-box analysis, as we saw in the introductory the introductory lessons where we actually set up that initial analysis and we ran it for the first time. We didn't do any customization. We just used the default quality profiles. So it gave us all of the rules that we needed to. There were over 400 rules that it was bumping up against to analyze our code. So that gives us the ability to get right out of the box. We're up and running really fast. But you don't always want to use necessarily the exact rule sets that they give you, or you may want to customize those rules because some things you may be more concerned about. So you might want to increase the severity of those things, and some things you might be less concerned about. So it really does give you a lot of flexibility. So you create a custom quality profile, and then you can customize what rules you're running against and the severity of those. So you can actually activate this quality profile. You can activate the rule, and then you can change the severity. For example, there's a rule that you shouldn't use tabulation characters in your code. And so you can actually take a custom quality profile, and whereas that might be a minor thing, you could actually reduce it just down to being just an informational thing only. And so by using a custom quality profile, you can actually have it inherit rules from a parent. So you can say, take the default rule set, I want all of that, and then I can override specific rules. So if the default rule set says that my tabulation rule is a minor issue, I can inherit that and then override to be, for example, an informational issue. Or I can just start from a blank quality profile that has no rules at all, and I can add the stuff that I want, and then I can completely exclude the tabulation characters rule, although that's going to be a lot of work unless you're just looking for specific rules, because like I said, Java, there are over 400 rules that you could do, so you would have to essentially cherry pick which ones you want if you're doing that. So what we're going to do next is we're going to walk through creating a custom quality profile, inheriting from a parent, and then overriding rules. I'll show you how you can remove the inheritance, but in general, I think you're going to want to use the parent rules as the basis.